Hey guys, Luckiest Loser here, doing a review of my new Truck 4. Sorry, that's just a Matchbox, not a truck. uh, yeah, I created a new Truck 4. The white over red was getting pretty old for me, but now I think it turned out pretty well. It's my new Truck 4 mid-mount platform. No water at all on this. New. Let's get started with the cab. Cab is my basically designed cab. A little smaller than extended cabs. Got stabilizer here. Got a little ladder to get to the platform. Turntable. LDH intake. A compartment for smaller LDH. A compartment for tools. More tools. More compartments. At the back. A compartment for ground ladders. And basically the same thing on the side, all compartments and stabilizers. Now on the front, chevron striping in the bumper, Truck 4. Same light bar as my other ones. Scene lighting. Real quick, got LDH on this. I've seen it on my local fire department around here. They have LDH on their straight stick. I think it looks fantastic. Got another section over here. Not quite sure what put in there, but so far it looks pretty good to me. The ladder is a 100-foot ladder, and lost a bite. I had to paint all this because it came white, yellow. It just looks a whole lot better black, so I'm guilty of that. The bucket, 2-man bucket, T4 on it. You get 2 deck guns on it to do multiple operations. 2 men can fit in there. Got the scene lighting on the sides there, and underneath, got the scene lighting all around, and a little sprinkler head. So if you got a fire caught underneath you, you gotta ready to protect yourself. Like I said, first attempt at a mid-mount. Hope you guys like it. I tried my best. I'm happy with it. So, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them. Check out my Facebook. I have a little more on that. And if you want, I'll do a video on apparatus I am creating. So, thank you again. Bye.